Welcome back to my channel. So during this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I received in my Lurella's March 2022 box. This month we received 5 items. The box is $29.99, and I do love the box because I'm a big eyeshadow lover. So you get a new eyeshadow palette every month that is not released for purchase. I believe that's how it works. Until they actually load up, you get to test out the eyeshadow palette first. So the March box is the Show Me the Money. Look Like a Dime with our new palette, Currency. That's the palette's name. This 16 shade palette features matte and shimmer, transitional nudes, bright golds, light greens, and rich green hues. Make it rain glam with any Currency look. Your energy is currency. Spend it well, invest it wisely. I like this little card. It's a nice big size card too. So let's go ahead and share with you all what I received in my box. So the first item is this new Currency eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $22. Again, like I said, the box is $29, so that's pretty much a steal in itself. This is the palette. The packaging is really pretty. Currency is the name of the eyeshadow palette, and these are the beautiful green and brown tones in this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be doing a look with this eyeshadow palette in the next couple of days because I do want to use it. This is like really pretty. I love greens and purples and pinks and everything else. The next item I have in the box is the hang on guys, I left it over there. So much for having it together. But the next item is the Bite the Bullet brush set, and this is like a nice brush set. I already opened it. I have not used it because I just got the box on Saturday. But this is the nice packaging it comes in, which are brush holders as well. You can flip them and use them as brush holders, and it's upside down. Okay, there you go. And this is the brush set. I took them out the packaging already. These feel like some great high quality brushes. I still haven't used my other set yet, but I definitely got to pull these brushes out. You get a powder face brush, a flat foundation brush, a contour brush, I guess like a powder brush, blush brush, I don't know. And then you get 4 eye brushes. And then I'm assuming this is a highlighter brush. But again, this set retails for $35. That's your box alone. So I definitely got to pull out my other set that I got in my other box and use them, because I'm definitely looking forward to using those. The next item is a Coco eyeliner. I did not open this line. I thought I opened all this stuff. Here I go. Here I go. It never fails, and I thought I did good. In Coco. Now I received the black one in my box, the very first box that I purchased, and I love this black one. So I know the brown one, Coco, should be just as good as the black one. So I can't wait to use this either. The next item I have is the Everlasting Eyelash Glue. And I'm sorry, the liner retails for $10. And this Everlasting Eyelash Glue, which I have been eyeballing. I've seen a lot of good reviews on that eyelash glue. And this one is in the shade Black. So I think I will probably apply it on top of my liner on my lash line rather than on the lash itself, the falsie. Because I tend to be kind of clumsy. And I have the black glue everywhere. So, I can't wait to try it. Because like I said, I've seen some great reviews on it and comments on it. So I am excited to try this one. And this retails for $9. So we'll see how that goes. The next item I have is the beauty sponge. Now what did I do with it? Because I just had it in my hand. Okay, here is it. This is the beauty sponge. It's your typical, look like a Real Techniques Morphe shaped sponge. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging right now. And it looked like a bar of soap is in the bottom, a cleanser. is in the bottom of it. So this retails for $10. And the last item in the box is the Wipeout cloth. And it comes in this packaging. And it's black. Let's see. And it just slides out. I like that. Slides out. And it's just a regular makeup wipe. Polyester. Is this 100% polyester? Yeah. 100% polyester. So this is going to be really, really good. Because if you purchase these, or if you receive them in boxes and they're 100% polyester, they are going to be really, 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 really soft for your skin. So when I buy these types of things, I have to make sure it says 100% polyester. Like these little rounds I get off Amazon. The same material. So I know this is going to be good because I use the ones already, like I said, that are 100% polyester. So that is all I received in my box. My box value for $98. Again, the box is $29.99, which I think is a steal for the products you get in there. If you guys receive Lurella subscription box, let me know your thoughts on it. Do you plan on getting it? If you get it, how you feel about it? Do you like the items you receive? Because I do think it's worth the $29.99. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing for March, the Lurella's March subscription box. Show me the money, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.